Hi friends, in this video we are discussing about debugging and validation in embedded system. Debugging, the process of checking errors and correcting those errors. Debugging can be performed in two sides. One is the software side and another one is the hardware side. For both sides, many debugging tools are involved. Software debugging can be done by compiling and executing the code on a PC or workstation. These are the various available debugging tools. First one, serial port tools. This tool will perform the debugging process from the initial state of embedded system design. Serial port can be used not only for development debugging but also for solving problems in the field. Breakpoint tool, to specify an address where the program execution is to break. It is used to specify an address where the program execution is to break. Once the PC reaches that address, control is returned to the monitor program. From the monitor program, user can examine or modify CPU registers. After that, process can be continued. Microprocessor in-circuit emulator. The microprocessor in-circuit emulator is a specialized hardware tool that can help debug software in a working embedded system. In-circuit emulator is a special version of the microprocessor that has internal registers. It will be read out when it is stopped. The CPU provides as much debugging functionality without any memory utilization. Next one, logic analyzer. The logic analyzer can sample many different signals simultaneously but can display only 0, 1 or changing values for each. The logic analyzer records the values into an internal memory and then displays the results on a display once the memory is full or the run is aborted. Let's see what is simulator and an emulator. First one, simulator, a software which tries to imitate a given process or a hardware. Simulator is based on the mathematical model of the processor. All the functional errors in an application can be detected by running it on the simulator. Whereas emulator, it is more related to hardware. It provides a way to run the application on actual target hardware with the help of an emulation software. Results are more accurate with emulation as the application is actually running on the real hardware target. Let's see what is validation. The process of evaluating software during the development process or at the end of the development process to determine whether it satisfies specified business requirements. Testing ensures that the product actually meets the client's needs. It can also be defined as to demonstrate that the product fulfills its intended use when deployed in an appropriate environment. It involves that is validation involves four major steps. First one is unit testing. Let's see what it is. A level of the software testing process where individual units of software are tested. The process is to validate that each unit of the software performs as designed. Second one is integration testing, a level of the software testing process where individual units are combined and tested as a group. The purpose of this level of testing is to expose faults in the interaction between integrated units. Next one is system testing, a level of the software testing process where a complete integrated system is tested. The purpose of this test is to evaluate the system's compliance with the specified requirements. Acceptance testing, a level of the software testing process where a system is tested for acceptability. The purpose of this test is to evaluate the system's compliance with the business requirements and assess whether it is acceptable for delivery. Thank Thanks to all.